So as at today, $1 is 1,637 naira. So I'm going to show you exactly how I withdraw my funds from my Fiverr account to my local bank account. I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it, and I'm going to show you the right way to do it, because there are some people out there that are making money from you guys, and they are charging you guys maybe about 1,500 or 1,000 naira for $1, which is totally wrong, and where you can easily get the current black market rate withdrawal at any time. I made mistakes when I first started out on Fiverr. I was withdrawing the wrong way, and the rate in which the bank gave me was terrible. I think I lost a whole lot of money doing that. After I found out, I've been using this platform ever since. They are the number. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to show you out there, you guys that are starting out on Fiverr, exactly how you can get started with withdrawing your funds at the current black market rate at any point in time. As of right now, recording this video, it is at 1,637 naira. So I'm going to show you from Fiverr, where I withdraw from Fiverr, down to the other platforms which I use, which everyone should always use when withdrawing, and it's trusted. I've been using it ever since. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first things first, I want to assume that you already have a Fiverr account and you are already creating gigs and you're already receiving orders, and now your fund has been released for you, so you can request for withdrawal. So, or yeah, maybe the other person that you want to just find out how we on Fiverr withdraw our funds. So I'm going to show you step by step. So right now on this is my Fiverr dashboard. As you can see, this is not a picture. This is actually my dashboard. I have payments that like here now you see balance available to use. This is what I can withdraw right now. So all I have to do is just click on withdraw balance, and here I've already connected my Payoneer account. Like some of you, there's PayPal, there's Payoneer. Me preferably, I prefer using Payoneer because it's seamless, and I know I'm in Nigeria, and PayPal has been banned in Nigeria. There are other ways in which people create PayPal accounts with, but I've never really tried to do that because it's not exactly a direct source of, it's not really allowed. But I mean, if there's a problem, I don't know what will happen, but I just like using the one that Nigeria is allowed on the platform and it's seamless to use. So my Payoneer account has been connected here already. So all I have to do is, and if you do not have a Payoneer account, there will be a link in the description where you can create a free Payoneer account. So just go to the site. I'm going to link it in the description. Create an account. Once you are done creating an account, you come to Fiverr and you can link your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account so that the funds will go directly to your Payoneer account. So once I'm done here, I click on confirm and withdraw, and it usually says 1 business day, but usually it's between 5 to 10 minutes in which you get the fund available to you in your Payoneer account. So just log into your Payoneer account. So to get a Payoneer account is pretty straightforward. All you need is a valid ID card. Once you have a valid ID card, you can get a Payoneer account. So as you can see here, we have received the payment. And see this, the payment we withdraw $72, and they took a fee of around $3. So I mean, like I said, some charges, but I mean $3 is compared to what other platforms charge